Alright, today we have a 2017 Honda Accord. If you have a 2013 to 2017 Accord and your brakes are making noise, every time you press the brake pedal it makes a squealing sound, alright? There's two different types of squealing sound. One indicates your brake pad is finished, alright? So you see this brake pad right here? This little guy is called the brake pad wear indicator sensor right there, alright? Once the brake pad finishes, this right here is gonna touch your rotor every time you press the brakes, alright? And it's gonna make a noise. And you're gonna listen to that noise. So if you have that noise, time for you to change the brake pads, alright? Pretty much. So I'm gonna take this camera and I'm gonna show you, we're gonna go back and forth with the car and you're gonna listen to this sound, alright? So if you have that sound, you need to change the brake pads, or if you need the rotors, change the rotors with it, alright? Alright, start the car. So we're gonna go back a little bit, go forward. There you go. The sound is coming from right here. Come back. There you go. All right. So that's the sound we have. The back ones are almost finished. So we're gonna be doing all 4 brakes on this car, right? So pretty much time for us to lift this car. So stay tuned for my next video, how to do the front brake pads and rotors, and followed by the rear brake pads and rotors. All right.